Hi there and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen. So glad to have you here today. We're coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. I've noticed lately that it's very hard to find yeast at my local grocery store. So today we're going to make an Irish soda bread that has no yeast. So the ingredients that we're going to be using today are flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, sugar, 1 egg, some softened butter, and some buttermilk. So to get started, we're going to put the flour into our bigger bowl, our baking powder, our baking soda, and our salt, and our sugar. And we're just going to give that a stir. Make sure everything's incorporated. Then we're going to add the butter. And this is where you're going to use your hands to mix the dough, and make sure you have very clean hands for this. Just want to make sure that butter's broken up in your flour. Just like that consistency. Then we're just going to make a well. Into that, we're going to put 1 egg and our buttermilk. I didn't have buttermilk. I couldn't find it in the store. So what I did was I mixed 1 cup of regular milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And it will curdle and make a buttermilk. So that's what we're going to pour in. And you're just going to go around the edges. Work it all in. Should be somewhat of a wet dough when you're finished. We don't want to overwork it. Make sure you get all that flour. It's starting to come together now. You want everything to kind of pull away from the sides of the bowl. So now that this is all mixed together, we're going to take it out. And we're going to put a bit of flour down. And we're just going to give it a quick knead. Not too much. I'm horrible at kneading, but I'm trying. Okay. Flatten it out a bit. Everybody has their own technique. And then I'm going to get my knife. And we'll score the top. Go down about 1/4 inch, I guess, maybe. So we're just going to sprinkle some flour onto our parchment paper. And then put our loaf on there. I'm going to go ahead and make another loaf, and when I'm finished that, we'll come back and put them in the oven. Now that we have our loaves on the cookie sheet, we're going to take some buttermilk and some butter mixture, and we're just going to go over the top of it. And you can repeat this while it's baking, maybe 2 or 3 times. now we'll put it in the oven. Our bread's now going in the oven, 375 for 40 to 50 minutes. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. And we'll see you back when it's all finished. And our bread is ready. We'll take it out of the oven now. Oh, it looks perfect. Exactly the color we want to see on top of our bread. Yay! Look at this bread. I am so excited. It's got beautiful coloring on the bottom, the sides, and the top. I can't wait to slice this open. Let's go ahead and give this bread a slice. I'm so excited. Oh, you hear that? Perfect. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button down below and follow me on social media. Bye for now.